Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my earrings called the winter earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are wire cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, a flower resin drop pendant, purple opaque Czech glass, fire polished 4mm beads, aqua transparent 5mm Czech glass fire polish beads, an ear wire, and 24 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search the winter earrings. We are going to start off by cutting an 11-inch length of 24 gauge wire. You could probably go to 10 inches. I like my wire a little bit longer. When I'm wire wrapping, I think the wraps come out better. So we are going to form a partial wrapped loop using my round nose pliers. I'm just gonna place the pliers right about here. I'm going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and then I'm just gonna come in and open it. We're going to grab our flower resin pendant, come back over, gently push the loop back together, and we are going to switch hands, and we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3, remove it, come back in with our wire cutters. I'm going to trim that little end. We're going to grab our chain nose pliers, and we are going to tap the end of the wire down to make sure there are no sharp edges and flatten out our loop. Now we're going to come back in and we are going to string a purple opaque 4mm, a aqua transparent 5mm, another purple opaque, aqua transparent 5mm, and purple opaque, and we're going to bring that down. And we're going to grab our round nose pliers, and we are going to form another wrapped loop. The loop I want facing this way because we're going to attach the ear wire, so I'm going to turn it to the side. And we are going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards us, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. And now I'm going to wrap with my fingers so that I do not damage the wire. So we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. And we're going to remove it. And then we're going to come down. We're holding it here. And we're just going to wrap the wire around each bead, coming down. And then we're going to wrap it around the base, 1, 2. I'm going to flip it over come back in, trim off that little end. We're going to tap it down, come over, and we're going to straighten it out a little bit. Now we're going to attach the ear wire. So we're going to grab our ear wire, and this is how you open and close an ear wire. So we're just going to open it, attach it, and close the ear wire. And there you have it, how to create the winter earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week, howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.